not sure if anybody else is interested in this, but I've been working on this. I toyed with it over the last few years, and finally I kind of figured it out. Basically, it's just to create a field map in a spreadsheet. So this is in Google Docs. And I got an iPad here, so it'll display the map, and then I got my laptop here, and it's got a attached sheet here that we've got all the fields and acres, so we can do some fun stuff like this just for planning, and it'll tally the total acres of different crops. Depends on what crops you want, or how, if you want all the different varieties or just the just the basics. So for example, you can see we got right by Mozart there, we're maybe planning for wheat, and everything else is flax. So I want everything else in the block there. So let's find 740 and let's switch it to flax. Okay, so flax on the other sheet here, I'll change it, and it changed it to flax. No big deal, but then it'll change in the whole tally of our crop, and I just find having a visual representation when planning it makes it a lot easier for me. And then we can share this with employees or whoever else. You can share a version of it that you can't edit and just view, and and then we'll just I'll go Control Z and switch that back. Easy as that, and that's just through the cloud. And another thing I was playing with is, I made a seeded map. And so as you're going through seeding or whatever other operation, I got these check marks. Let's check mark 740, and it's off there, and then it'll tally up how many seeded acres and all that stuff. And again, maybe for logistics, you can have this shared with others on the farm, so then they're always in the loop, because sometimes you got a few different people, not everybody's feels like they're in the loop, but you can see the progress. So yeah, hope that's helpful. I guess there's more details if you ever wanted to build this, but I thought this was pretty neat. I know there's other software that could probably do this, but we already had a spreadsheet for lots of other planning, so this just sort of fills in that one last bit that we were missing.